Hello my lovely people, how to tie quick and easy turban headband by yourself. I'm working with 4 layers of ashoke. I will start by folding the ashoke into 2, then I'll fold it into 4 before I will start to wrap it. Okay, so by wrapping it, this is where I'm going to hold. I will use my mouth to hold one side, then continue to wrap from beginning to the end. Okay, so watch as I'm wrapping it. Once I'm done wrapping, the next thing I'm going to do is to stretch it. Please, if you have not yet followed this beautiful community, please do that. Okay, you're going to be learning a lot from me. Thank you very much for subscribing. So once I'm done wrapping and stretching it out, I'm going to place it on my head and take the measurement. Both sides are going to be equal, that is 50-50. Then I'll replace my hand with a rubber band. Which country are you watching me from? Is it from African country, from Germany, from UK, from US? Anywhere your location is, write it at the comment section, okay? So once I'm done replacing my hand, I'm going to remove it from my head, arrange my hair and place it back because I want to be forming a rose at this back here because I can't watch it or I cannot see it at the back there. So that's why I'm bringing it to the front to be able to form this rose here. I will start by working with one side of the 50. I'll form a rough pleat. Okay, so once I'm done forming a rough pleat, I'm going to turn my hand, continue to form this pleat, take it round till I form this rose. Okay, so watch my hand and see what I'm doing. Continue to form the pleats and take it round. Take it round. Then at this end here, I'm going to secure a pin. Okay. Once I'm done securing here, I'm going to repeat the same thing with the other part of the 50. So watch and see what I'm doing, and always practice so that you can be able to tie this by yourself. Okay, help me to share this video out, let other people also learn how to tie it. And by liking this video, you are helping this video to be visible to people to see it. Okay, don't forget to like it. Thank you very much for doing that. So I'm done with one part of the 50. The next thing I'm going to do is to carry the other part of the 50, form a rough pleat, take it round, exactly the same thing I did in the other 50. That is what I'm doing in this one here. I'm forming a rough pleat, then I'll take it round. Okay, you can see this style is very easy and you can do it and keep it. Anytime you want to use it, you will use it. Okay, taking it round. At the end part there, I'm going to secure a pin. I'm securing here with a pin. Okay, shift my hand and secure that place with a pin and make sure I do it properly. So once I'm done, I'm going to arrange it, and you can wear this style in 2 ways. It's either you make the rose to be at the front here, or if you don't want to use this style, you can remove it and let the rose be at the back. You can see the style is very easy and it's very simple for you to achieve. So how do you say this head wrap? The 2 styles, how do you say it? Write it at the comment section. So this is the one that the rose is at the back. You can see it's very easy and very simple. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate. Bye.